Should you trim or shave for beard growth? As with everything in life, when you grow a beard, quick results tend to be more appealing than having to wait an entire lifetime to get any semblance of a decent beard length. So, what method should you adopt to quicken the rate of your beard growth? Trimming or shaving? Trimming and shaving are excellent beard grooming methods and can even lead to better beard health. Unfortunately, these beard removal techniques cannot make facial hair grow faster, stronger, or thicker. Cutting facial hair eliminates split ends and flyaway hairs, but it does not affect beard growth. There is absolutely nothing wrong about desiring a fuller, longer, and thicker, but softer beard. There are several things you can do to stimulate beard growth, and we'll cover some of them in this video. But don't beards become more coarse or thicker as they grow out after shaving or trimming? Well, stick around, and you'll have a definite answer to that. Beard growth versus healthy beard. Before we start, let's get something clear. There's a huge difference between beard growth and having a healthy beard. Although they are not mutually exclusive, you can have both. Maintaining a healthy beard is more important than targeting beard growth. I know that may not sound very appealing, but here's the deal. Placing your focus on growing a healthy beard can impact beard growth positively. On the other hand, putting all of your attention on speeding up beard growth can lead to unnecessary stress and trying out methods that may affect your beard adversely instead. Understanding the difference between grooming your beard to keep it in tip-top shape and forcing it to grow quickly can save you a lot of headaches and disappointments. My candid advice: take good care of your beard because it will grow when it grows. Does trimming or shaving help beard grow faster? Out with the old and in with the new. How true is this when it comes to beards? Does facial hair removal lead to a quicker growth rate or even improved beard growth? No, it doesn't. Removing old beard hairs, out with the old, is a great idea. It helps newer hairs reach their full potential. However, it doesn't automatically create newer hairs, in with the new. What determines the speed at which your beard grows is not any hair removal method. Your genetic makeup is one of the most important factors in how quick, long, full, or thick your beard grows. We'll touch more on this later. Does trimming or shaving make your beard grow thicker? Here's a straightforward answer: no. When you trim or shave your beard, the tips of your hairs become blunt as they grow out. The tips tend to feel coarse, like a rough cut, think stubble. However, this only lasts for a short while. During this growing out phase, your beard may appear thicker or darker and more noticeable, but it is definitely not thicker than it was. That's just your perception playing tricks on you. Thus, trimming or shaving your beard, or any other facial hair, won't change its thickness or growth rate. In fact, if you begin to notice changes in the thickness of your facial hair, talk to your doctor immediately. It could be an early warning sign of an underlying medical condition or a side effect of a medication. Possible reasons for the misconception. There are men who would swear they noticed a significant difference in beard growth when they started cutting their beards than when they were much younger with no need to cut them. Although that is indeed true, it has nothing to do with trimming or shaving. We will go over quickly why that happens. The hairs on your body go through 4 different phases. 1. The growing phase, anagen. 2. The regression phase, catagen. 3. The resting phase, telogen. 4. The shedding phase, exogen. When you were much younger, probably a teenager, your beard was in the anagen growing phase. So, when you trimmed and shaved, you would have noticed more hair appearing, and sometimes they appeared faster. Beard growth in that phase is not based on how frequently you cut your hair. Instead, it is caused by the increase in your testosterone levels as you become manlier. If your genes support it, you can go through the first 3 phases repeatedly. However, some men may hit the 4th phase rather quickly and stop growing newer hair. Have you wondered why bald men never grow back their hair? They can shave all day long, but they would only ever get as far as nada in terms of hair. The illusion of rapid beard growth is due to the anagen phase of hair development, which is responsible for making some people think that regular trims or shaving can improve beard growth. If you are in the anagen phase, go ahead and enjoy all the shaves and trims you can while it lasts. But get this straight, cutting your beard will not help with beard growth. It has its benefits, and we'll take a look at them in the next section. Is trimming beard better than shaving it? Not necessarily. Although shaving too frequently can cause a number of not so pleasant side effects, trimming is not entirely better than shaving. It all depends on what each person is trying to achieve. Some men prefer clean shaves, whereas others want to wear stubbles. To each his own, right? However, trimming might be your best option if your target is a fuller, longer beard. A little trim here and there won't hurt your beard, no matter what stage you are in on your beard growth journey. Like shaving, trimming for beard growth is just a myth. However, trimming does still have its benefits, as we've seen earlier. What should I use for beard growth? First off, let me say that there's no grooming product, vitamin supplement, or medical procedure that can guarantee 100% natural beard growth. Every product or method has its pros and cons, and their success or otherwise will depend largely on your hormones. With that said, it is important to mention that some grooming products work very well for many of the men who have tried them. They didn't get results overnight, though. It took some time. If you're keen on knowing the best products with high success rates, you're not alone. There's nothing wrong with wanting to grow your beard faster, as I've mentioned earlier. If you can grow a beard, why not grow it quicker, right? Why wait a while if there's a safe way to quicken the process? Here are some of the best grooming products that can significantly increase the chances of healthier and better beard growth. Keep in mind that some of these beard grooming products may not speed up your beard growth rate, though they can strengthen your beard and make it grow thicker and fuller by stimulating existing hair follicles. Remember that a healthy beard is better than a long, sick beard. 1. Beard Flux XL Beard Oil. Delta Genesis stands tall when it comes to quality beard grooming products. That's why you can rest easy with their Beard Flux XL oil, specially formulated to encourage and promote healthy facial hair growth. Beard Flux XL is a blend of carefully selected base oils such as jojoba, amla, argan, and other natural ingredients to provide the fuel necessary for natural growth. The fast-acting beard oil is free of any type of fragrance, so it won't mess with your body spray or cologne. It is 100% organic oil with no GMOs, fillers, or parabens. For the best results, apply it right after your shower and while your beard is still slightly damp. 2. Beardaholic Premium Beard Oil. Beardaholic Premium Beard Oil is a leave-in conditioner that softens your beard and helps it grow to its full potential. The oil is a fine mix of argan oil, grapeseed oil, castor oil, almond oil, jojoba, wheat germ oil, and other natural ingredients. It's great in that it doesn't just improve beard length, its pure, natural ingredients also ensure a smooth and tangle-free beard. Besides helping improve beard growth, Beardaholic Premium Beard Oil is one of the best beard oils for eliminating itchiness and beard rough. It will leave you smelling fresh and clean. Daily use is recommended for the best results. 3. XT Growther Beard Oil. This all-natural beard growth oil by Beard Farmer can be described in 2 simple words: it works. Apart from conditioning and feeding your beard, XT Growther Beard Oil nurtures and stimulates hair roots, providing the necessary stimulus for fuller, longer, and quicker growing beards. The oil is mild and gentle, making it appropriate for daily use. Many people who want fast-acting beard oils tend to apply them before hitting the sack. Although that is okay, it is recommended to wash this one off before going to bed. 4. BBS Grow Beard and Mustache Accelerator. BBS Grow Beard and Mustache Accelerator is more than just beard oil. It is a special beard serum that helps condition and stimulates facial hair growth. It is created from a mix of Jamaican-sourced castor oil, jojoba oil, MCT oil, and other essential oils and ingredients that can target all beard and skin types. Besides softening and strengthening beard and mustache hair, it also lengthens and thickens facial hair. If you have lots of beard patches, this oil will fill them up and increase your hair follicle density. 5. Glemmy Beard Growth Kit. All the other products listed here are great, but this grooming kit by Young 17 comes with almost everything any bearded man will love. Glemmy Beard Growth Kit includes beard growth oil serum, beard balm, a beard comb, and a derma roller. The oil contains Capilia longa as its main, active ingredient, and works excellently for patchy and slow-growing beards. The titanium microneedle derma roller helps increase blood circulation and stimulate inactive follicles. This, in turn, maximizes oil absorption in those problem areas, thus boosting beard growth. Conclusion. How long does it take to grow a beard? This seems to be a burning question among many men. How fast your beard grows is a function of your gene and testosterone levels. Whether you trim or shave will make no difference to your beard in terms of growth rate. For most men, a fully grown beard is usually interpreted as a sign of strong masculinity and can be a source of pride and self-confidence. Perhaps this explains why many people are obsessed with gimmicks, tricks, and methods for growing their beards faster. Unfortunately, worrying about how slowly your beard growth rate is can increase your stress levels. An increased stress level will not help your beard in any way. Instead, it can adversely affect the overall health of your beard. Trim and shave your beard for a healthier and better looking beard. If you want to increase the chances of faster and better beard growth, using beard grooming products will be your best bet. If you found the video helpful, show appreciation by giving it a thumbs up. Likewise, share it with your family and friends. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks and visit beardguidance.com. Thanks for watching.